Hi everyone. The purpose of today's short tutorial is to show you how to comment on VoiceThread. When you are on a response slide and you have listened to all the comments on the side here, you can go down to the center of the slide and either hover your mouse and it will magically show up, or just click and you'll see a plus sign. Click on the plus sign and you will see several ways in which you can comment. The three most common are a text comment, an audio comment, or a video comment. I would prefer that when you can that you make audio and video comments because they are more interactive than a single text comment. Let me sample how to do one. Click on the microphone for an audio comment. You will get a moment to get ready, and then it will start recording and you can make your comment. One of the things that you can do is you can use these little pencils down at the side. You choose a pencil and you can actually take your mouse and you can doodle all over the slide. What is wonderful about this, you can change colors, and you can also know that if you make a note or a comment that you don't want to use, you can either delete your comment or just know that what's going to happen is that the marks will disappear. I'm going to stop recording, and it takes a moment for it to upload, and then it will start recording. But you have a choice whether you're going to save that comment or delete it. And many times I do choose to delete because maybe there's a comment that I made and not exactly the way that I wanted to. You can always, even after saving your comment, you can go to it and go to the trash can and delete your comment. I also wanted to show you the different types of comments that you can make. You can always go down to the center and hit the plus, but if you wanted to comment directly to somebody and not have your comment directly go to the bottom, you can actually go to a square or a circle and hit this, where you're creating, this arrow is going to help you create a new thread in the conversation, and then that way that comment will go directly after. And this circle right here shows us that that's exactly what happened there, that somebody came here, they hit the arrow, and they replied in the thread. And that is it. And what's lovely is that you can come back and you can listen to the comments again. You can move down and find the comment that you're looking for and have a really interactive conversation. Thank you so much.